How's it going, subscribers? Today, we're going to be talking about how to invest with PayPal. So I know a lot of people, they don't have a bank account. They can't use a bank account for whatever reason. They only have PayPal, and they're wondering, how can they use PayPal to invest? How can they use PayPal to invest? So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video right here. So the best way I've looked through so many apps, through so many brokerages, looking for
have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
Let me tell you about my day so far. Coffee in Paris, surfed the Maldives, took a little nap on Mount Kilimanjaro. Oh yeah, and I got digits from this Polish chick in Rio. NBA Finals. And all that was before lunch.
I have more than $100 million. Subscribe to my channel so I can teach you how to make millions.
looking for which one allows you to invest using PayPal money, and it's hard. Like to find it was hard. Like it's hard to just Google search it and get an answer. I'm telling you guys can do the research yourself. It's hard to find a brokerage that allows PayPal, because PayPal is not a bank account. That being said, I found one. So because I found one, smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's get started on showing you Fidelity Investments, which is the account that allows you to invest using PayPal money. So let's get started, shall we? Make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. See guys, right here, look. It says send PayPal money. You guys see that right there? Send money PayPal. That's where you guys can essentially send money from PayPal. So you could enter the email address or the phone number, and you could enter the amount, and then you continue with PayPal. So this is good stuff, guys. So I know a lot of you want to invest using PayPal money, so here's your chance, guys. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I did a lot for you guys, so make sure you guys return the favor, support my channel. Now let's another cool feature about Fidelity app, actually they helped me make just messing around. I scored an extra $500 like nothing, just messing around with some money because testing some of Fidelity's features. So right now I am Fidelity does offer insurance commission-free ETFs. So I will tell you guys what I think their best commission-free ETF is, and I'll show you guys some of the coolest features. So if you're a worker for Fidelity or something, maybe send a check my way for putting out the good review for your company, or hook me up or something nice. All right. So let's go over this. So there you guys have it. This is the IGV iShares. So it looks like I have a the percent change since last close is 0.30%, but the total is 1.75%. So far it's making me money. That's good news. iShares expanded tech. So this actually is in my opinion the best commission-free ETF. You guys should check it out. It grows faster than all the other ETFs in my opinion. So that's one cool feature. So this was one good ETF that I recommend. Now here's where all the really cool features are. The largest TREFIS estimates differences. Estimates provided by TREFIS. Methodology. So over here they show all the most undervalued and also all the most overvalued. And you could look at the large list. So here's all the undervalued We have the list right here. I could go over the list more details if you guys want. Drop a comment below. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Here's the list for the overvalued. And then we also have social sentiments. What people think about it. What most people think about, if people think positively about stocks or negatively about stocks. So they have that too. They have screeners. They have all these features, and you could see this is the TREF's valuation on stock quote. I'll be going over more of that in details. So they have the TREF's methodology here. I'll be going over more about the TREF's methodology more in detail if you guys want. So drop a comment below. Hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys want me to go over all these all these features in detail. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for subscribing and for hitting that like button and for watching this video. See you next time, subscribers.
Said, be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful, by billionaire Warren Buffett. And essentially what this means is when traders are greedy, they'll keep on buying and driving the price up and thinking that it's going to keep on going up and up and up. But eventually what ends up happening is the stock ends up tumbling back down to earth from the moon because of greed. And people, that's how people lose a lot of money. And when Warren Buffett says be greedy when others are fearful, what he means is that when others are fearful because the stock plummets and everyone starts selling their stocks at a discount, that's the time you want to start buying companies. That's the right time to buy. But usually people start selling. People call it a crash, and that word crash scares people. Really? Let's change the definition. Instead of crash, let's call it a discount. That's essentially what it is. A discount. That's really what it's all about. So as we can see, the Fear and Greed Index by CNN, what emotion is driving the market right now? What emotion? Right now, the greed is driving the market right now. And the reason for that is, as we can see, the McKellen volume summarization index measures advancing and declining volume on the New York Stock Exchange. During the last month, approximately 8.23% more of each day's volume has traded in advancing issues than in declining issues, pushing this indicator forward the upper end of its range for the last 2 years. And as we can see, the stock price strength, that was the breadth. With the stock price strength, the number of stocks hitting 52 weeks highs exceeds the number of hitting lows and is at the upper end of its range, indicating extreme greed. As we can see, that's why the market kept going back up and up. As we can see, it's in the greed territory. As we can look at the safe haven demand, the difference in 20-day stock and bond returns, stock have outperformed bonds by 2.92 percentage points during the last 20 trading days. This is close to the strongest performance of stocks relative to bonds in the past 2 years, and indicates investors and rotating with stocks from the relative safety of bonds. And when we look at the put and call options, the CBOE 5-day average, the put call ratio during the last 5 trading days, volume and put options has lagged volume in call options by 36.82% as investors make bullish bets in their portfolios. However, this is among the lowest levels of put buying seen during the last 2 years, indicating greed on the part of investors. And when we look at the market volatility, the VIX and its 50-day moving average, the CBOE volatility index is at 15.72. This is neutral reading and indicates the market risks appears low. And when we look at the junk bond market, the yield spread between junk bonds versus the investment grades, investors in low quality junk bonds are accepting 1.74 percentage points in additional yield over safer investment grade corporate bonds. This spread is much higher than what has been typical during the last 2 years and indicates that investors are highly risk averse. When we look at the market momentum, the S&P 500 and its 125-day moving average, the S&P 500 is 1.04% below its 125-day moving average. During the last 2 years, the S&P 500 has typically been above this average. So rapidly declines like this indicate extreme levels of fear. So as we can see, the greed index right here, the greed over time, we are hitting the peaks. We're heading towards the peak greed moments. However, that being said, we still have more greed to go. So if you're heavily invested, this might be the time to get prepared to prepare for a downfall. As we can see, That way, when you have cash at hand during times of extreme greed, extreme fear, you can buy stocks and from good companies at discounts. When we look at VictorVest Stock Advisory says that in the short term, the market is mildly bullish. VictorVest advocates buying safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price at this time. Second goal is to turn my 100 million into 100 billion. Like this video, leave a comment on the company or stock that you want me to analyze. I go over graphs, charts, news, quotes, forecasting, prices, rating, and reviews. My job is to help you pick the best companies and stocks to invest in so you can become a multi-millionaire. That's multi-millionaire like me. Subscribe so you can become a millionaire and share this video to help your friend become a millionaire too. Don't miss out. Stay on top of your game and ahead of the curve. The world is your oyster. Make hay while the sun is shining. Everyone is subscribing to my channel, so subscribe so you can stay ahead of the curve, so you can come to my show, so you can flow. Comment down below so we both can grow. Like and share this video so everyone can know how to make millions of dough. Subscribe so we both can thrive. Join the millionaire tribe. Watch this video until the end to win the grand prize. It's show. Turn my 100 million into 100 billion. Like this video, leave a comment on the company or stock that you want me to analyze. I go over graphs, charts, news, quotes, forecasting, prices, rating, and reviews. My job is to help you pick the best companies and stocks to invest in so you can become a multi-millionaire. That's multi-millionaire like me. Subscribe so you can become a millionaire and share this video to help your friend become a millionaire too. Don't miss out. Stay on top of your game and ahead of the curve. The world is your oyster. Make hay while the sun is shining. Everyone is subscribing to my channel, so subscribe so you can stay ahead of the curve, so you can come to my show, so you can flow. Comment down below so we both can grow. Like and share this video so everyone can know how to make millions of dough. Subscribe so we both can thrive. Join the millionaire. My link below for a chance to win $1,000 on my Webull account. And if you want a chance to win $25, make sure you download the app using my link in the description below. Subscribe to my channel so I can go over more news, more companies, and more stocks. I'll cover the earnings per share, the charts, the trends, the ratings, the news, the Sortino ratio and Sharp ratio, market correlation, PE ratio, cash flow, balance, statements, net assets and liabilities, and many more. Just for watching this video, I'm going to give you the chance of winning the grand prize. For your chance to win, subscribe to this channel and comment down below, future millionaire. That's what you want to write in the comments below. Write future millionaire. For every social media website you share this video, it will increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Share this video on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, to all your social media accounts to increase your chance of winning the grand prize. Congratulations. Don't forget to